Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle, ultra-tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water-resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Kaizer Chiefs have finally ended that winless streak. A 4-game winless streak. Bebedlala FNB namhlanje against Durban City, where they won by a goal to nil. Glody Lilepo scoring for Kaizer Chiefs in the second half and making sure they collect 3 points at home. Chucks? Why bowlers
No, you should ask Durban City players. You can't ask.
No, I have to ask you. That's your home game, and la bowler
No, nothing, my friend.
Nothing.
Nothing.
They just couldn't score it.
It's all about if you have quality or not.
Sharks and Sharks.
Yeah.
It's all about quality, Sharks.
Yeah, it's all about quality. And the players that we have on the field of play, you must go and ask them.
Yeah. Why?
3 chances, last 9 minutes of the game. You know, I was holding my, my thumbs and everything.
Ubone uphansi kuwe Sofina benza uqala ubone okondazala
No, kichikile namke ntwana wachikare Mr. Rep. Fantoza what's happening?
isitulo yabona isitulo ahlele kuso Justa if ubeke weight yaso emva ungakayo
kodwa
kwesi Sharks sozuwe but uphansi hawo kusitulo singaka.
No, the wall is behind me. Then I was safe. That's why I was safe out here.
Sharks, let's dive into it. Congratulations to your team. You won namhlanje. Ibiveki noko ngathi benzima nyana Sharks. There were a lot of things that were happening. Zenzeka ngaphandle sizibona Sharks but siyazibona senzeka. You know, coming into this game there was umoya njengoko right. There's that brawl between the supporters and the team. There was that match a couple of days ago. But namhlanje, there were fans, FNB. That thing you can be guaranteed. No matter what's happening to Kaizer Chiefs, there will always be people abahlele phakathi to bezobukela team. Even if abanye ba decide to go, okay, let's just stay at home and watch on TV. But there will always be people at FNB and sibonile namhlanje. But masingena emdlalweni Chucks, ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Khotso chain. Khotso wa tlhompheko la peni at least smiling yana ma. Champion se masilo machaka mutokwana. Kere just to khotsong. Ngulux akahowa dibobza. Little Villagas. Chain, let's start with the bad news for Makalanjalo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know, he passed away last week or so. So to the Pagania people, the team itself, Orlando Pirates Football Club, what they did at the stadium in the last few games to honor Makalanjalo.
Yeah.
Makalanjalo Fantisi, Itumeleng. So we are saying to condolence to the family and those who came as well to the memorial service today. We were there. The Bobza was there. I saw him.
We were there.
Tandy was there.
Yeah.
And also Mickey. Like in Khwati as well.
The former Orlando Pirates. I mean, I can't even remember the last time I saw him, Mickey Modesani.
Yeah.
The former Orlando Pirates PRO. I saw him. He's still the same person.
He's still the same person. Yeah. And also, like in Khwati, he always giving support. You know, I mean, he was not leader on the field of play, even off the field. Whenever he's needed, then he's there. Especially in terms of attending the supporters' activities.
Yeah.
Man, my brother, my captain, thanks very much for being there as well for Fanti's family there. And the funeral will take place next week.
Yeah.
21. I think it is in Sasolbeck.
Yeah.
There, but multi people sent also. But,
but
I think the Pirates people will put the details.
Yeah.
Just for what will happen on the
Yeah,
days.
but most definitely, if funeral next week on Saturday.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Big up to supporters who came there. I saw the Celtic supporters.
Porter was there.
Porter, the Nandos.
Yeah.
And Kabelo and others.
Yeah, Kabelo GP was there.
Yeah. Even Speakers, I saw.
Yeah.
Hey, Speakers. No, thank you very much for coming as well. Yeah. Thanks, guys, man. No, we really appreciate the support, man.
Yeah. Chucks,
Yes.
masingena emdlalweni.
Yeah.
Umdlalo namhlanje we-Kaizer Chiefs. If besibukele i-first half, kodwa umdlalo uyaphela nge-first half kangagorwanga. Ubuza uphela lo mdlalo bese ngasibukele second half. But second half, Kaizer Chiefs came with another plan. They had to score a goal and they scored. Lilepo scored a goal. But umdlalo wena na Chucks ubone njani?
Yeah, man. What a relief. You know, I needed 3 points, Shane. About, as we've mentioned before, that there was a lot of things that was happening off the field, not on the field, between fans and management, all those kind of things that we don't really want to see. You know, because a team is a team because of supporters. And when the supporters are not there, the team will not perform very well. Even if the team is not performing well, this is the time whereby the team and the supporters need each other and the management, everyone. You know, we can't say branch members and don't talk about those kind of things.
Don't divide the supporters.
We are all the same.
You will never win that battle.
You never win.
Each and every, and not just Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
If you're gonna have a battle with the support, you will never win with Sharks. You will never.
Absolutely.
But okay,
we've been there, Shane. It's okay, we've been there. But to the supporters, let's keep on supporting the team. Yes, the management also, they must just check, how they talk with the supporters going forward. So that we don't need to separate both of them. But coming to today's game, that's what I'm saying. It was a much relief 3 points, my brother. But poor performance between these two teams. In terms of, yes, I know Chiefs, it has a lot of ball position, my brother. But number one, Shane, positioning, my friend. Playing together. You know, in the final third, how do you open a space for your teammates? So that you can take shot at goal, or maybe can create. You know, unlike in the second half, where you see, Lillepo and also Vilakazi combining very well, and the positioning of Lillepo as well. That's why it's always there. It's okay. There's a forward striker there. It's okay. We need him there because it's technique. Not there, man. Teaspoon. And even taking shot at goal, sharp. So why put him on the far left, on the far right?
Also, when if Begiang you prefer him to number 9.
Absolutely. I mean, that's all. You know, have someone that can assist and make sure that you put the ball in the back of the net. What a well taken shot from him, my brother. But I can tell you, Chain, even the Durban City, I think they came into this game saying, we want to get a draw from Chiefs. We saw what happened against Sheffield Bay. It means we have got a chance. Because Chiefs is still going through. We are going through a lot. I must say, we are going through a lot, Shane. You can even see the performance of the players. The body language, I told you about it even last time. So that's what I'm saying. We needed this 3 points than any other team in the PSL. So that we can be able to calm down. The situation should be, we just need to calm down and look into ourselves and ask ourselves a lot of questions. Is this the Kaizer Chiefs that we want to see? The ball that we are playing, is it the right football that we want to see going forward? The answer is no. We still have a long way to go, my friend. I mean, they nearly scored. They nearly scored, especially Durban City, in the second half. But that's what I'm saying. The combination in the first half, Shane, was not up to the scratch. Yes, but we get a lot of ball position in the first half. Durban City was playing a low block. Maybe they wanted to catch us on counter, but they offered nothing in the first half. It's only in the second half where Chiefs scored.
That's when they started realizing, scoring goals.
And again, why are you under siege now because you scored 1 goal? It means this kind of thing that you score 1 goal must come to an end. We need to score 1 goal and still dominate. If you are good enough, you score 1 goal and you dominate that team. Make sure that it was not a fluke that you scored 1 goal, so that we can even score 2 or 3 goals. That's what I'm saying. The performance today, my brother, even the coaches, if they are telling themselves that they are back yet, I'm saying to no, this is not the performance that you want to see going forward.
Chucks, there's been talks about the player who assisted Namhlanje. Uvilakazi. Xa iqale games, abantu abaninzi bathanda ukuthi abekho impressed bamthanda xa ingene second half. He came in Namhlanje second half. Gave an assist, but we've seen in moments or instances where he started umdlalo and then angaperformi. What causes Londo Chucks?
It's not only him there. That's what I'm saying. It's not only him, but that's what I'm saying. Does he have the right players around him? Senior players that will make sure that they show him what to do and not what to do. Assist, yes, I believed it, but there's a lot of moments there that he was unable to take on the players. He was trying, but he failed to do that. But what I'm trying to say is, bit by bit, they mustn't rush him. I think they are putting a lot of pressure on him. The way I see him, even if after Teaspoon scored the goal, they rushed to him instead of rushing straight to Lillepo. Because Teaspoon as well, he made sure that he positioned himself, and also he took the right shot to make sure that he put the ball in the back of the net. What I'm saying, it shows these players, they are putting a lot of pressure on him. But coming in the second half, also. is good for Vilakazi. For starting with the game always is not good for
But I
him.
think there was something mhlawumbe ngumfana man leading to umdlalo namhlanje, because I saw even when players zonke they went to him and you could see he was emotional. I think he was crying because I think khona just something that happened during the week okanye mhlawumbe khona just something yena umfana maybe uyabukela ke ku social media okanye uyabamela ku social media too much. So namhlanje there was one of those games where he had to prove himself again, because playing for Kaizer Chiefs you have to prove yourself each and every game.
Yeah, but you see, proving yourself sometimes it can result in a bad thing, my friend. Bad decision making as well. That's what I'm saying. They mustn't rush him. As you are saying, during the week maybe there was something, but I can tell you that Vilakazi, take it easy, my brother.
Yes.
Take it easy. Make sure that you play your normal game. Don't do it. So also before we leave, my friend, there's defense there. There's a lot of problems. Our defense. Miguel, there is a lot of problems. I don't know why he's playing the way he's playing.
He also saved you.
Is he saved it? As I'm just saying.
Yeah, he could have
I'm just saying. But I'm just saying in terms of defense, my friend, we just have to fix our defense. But all in all, the players that were playing today, my brother, that's what they didn't connect. So, but as I'm saying, we still have a long way to go. We are not back yet where we want to see Kaizer Chiefs coming back. So, but congratulations to Amakosi. That's what I'm saying. It is well needed 3 points and well deserved 3 points because Durban didn't bring anything. You put even Abu Domingo on the bench. Those that are well experienced players. As a coach, what do you expect to get 3 points from Kaizer Chiefs when you put experienced players on the bench before? So well done to the Pevin Glamour boys, to management and the supporters once again. This is the right time to be united. Let's make sure that we unite everybody and support the team going forward. Please, guys, thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you so much, Chucks, and congratulations for the 3 points. It's Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Tango.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, Amakosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.